This is about technology fun stuff, a nice free artificial intelligence tool. Artificial intelligence making lot of wonders and making the people's life easier. Let me bring up one of that kind. Anyone can change their selfie or picture into AI selfies, digital avatars, pencil sketches, and many more. You can just upload your picture and change it to variety of art within seconds and download it in a good quality. All this is free. If you want HD quality, need to subscribe with small amount. goart.photor.com is the AI photo editor. We do not need to download the software. We could change our pictures in seconds. Idea. We can Google and search for a nature and take the screenshot with snipping tool from our laptop and may want to write our names or greetings and could change like art under goart.photo.com. We can print it and frame it